Hello and welcome to my website for the workshop for how to naturally relieve the symptoms of enlarged prostate. I know that a great many men suffer from this. They say it's 40%, 50%, over 40 or 50 depending on the stats, and that's a lot of men. And I believe that a lot of this suffering is unnecessary. I created this program for myself after my own experiences where I was faced with certain alternatives which I didn't like. So what you will get is 5 processes that stack it one upon the other. Now they only take a small amount of time to do each one, and some of them don't take any extra time in your day. You're already doing things, you'll simply change some of the things you're doing. What this will give you though, this will give you great outcomes, and I expect these outcomes to be really noticeable within 30 days. In fact, I'm so confident that if you don't get the benefit you want within 30 days, I'll offer you money back. I don't want your money if you're not succeeding. I want men to benefit from this. I want men to not have to suffer the problems associated with prostate and to be able to live their lives easier without the inconvenience and so forth that goes with it. So you can see the details below for the seminar, and you can call the 1300 number, 1300 203 422, and to make a booking, please, all bookings are before the day so that we can just get started. And I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to introducing you to some new ideas about how you can be well and healthy. And here's the best thing. The best thing is everything you will learn will flow over into every aspect of your health. It's not just targeting down like a small target. We are working on your whole body. You can expect to sleep better, perhaps lose excess weight, think more clearly and have less pain. All of these things are 100% achievable. Thank you, I'm Ian Newton. I look forward to meeting you soon.